snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey y'all, it's your favorite person. We're about to do my son's hair. Yes, I said my son. Anyways, mind your business, not mine. So, he just got out of the shower, the bath, you know, the vibes. And we are just detangling his hair. He is looking like, okay, mom, not too much on me. I don't know why she's doing that to my son. You see his back is all wet. Like, go get a towel. Go get a towel. Yeah. Like I said, she went and got that towel. My son right there, he playing in the sink with some water. You know the vibes. Anywho, back to this regular schedule program. So, he's playing with his toys. Right now, we're going to be using this spray bottle. It is from, I believe, Camille Rose. You guys, we're going to use this to kind of restore his curls and his hair today. And you see, you spray it, and then you're going to comb it out. He's like, okay, my head is hurting. She is a little rough on her hands, you know. She kind of rough to me, too. But, anyways, it's okay. Like, look at him. He like, bro. So, we're using the rice, milk, and macadamia oil. Oh, look at him. Look at them curls. Okay, Princeton. He pick up everything and play with it. That is not a toy, boy. Put it down. Anyways, so, that's what we're doing today. We're just doing his little hair routine to restore his hair from a long week. Oh, hold his roots. She stresses me out when she doesn't hold the roots. Like, just hold the roots and comb. Why are you just... Oh, God. I'm so sorry, Princeton. It looks so good, though. Look at his hair. He's like, oh, yeah. So, you're going to just comb that product through. It's going to restore your children's curls. Even your curls if you're an older person. Elderly. It is used to restore your curls. Look at her face. She's fed up. But he's having a good time because he's playing. And you know, when someone is doing your hair, it's like, okay, I feel like I'm getting self-cared up, you know. Alright, so now we are going to put some of the Camille Rose lotion in there. That's just to make sure his hair is moisturized, it smells good, and it stays, you know, tangle-free. Look at his hair. It looks so good. You're just going to rake that through. Scrunch it, you know. It's okay. I got hair. And clean underwear. Look at my hang time. Don't play with him. Do not play with my son. Play with somebody else. Now look at him, y'all. Look at his hair. Look at the curls. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys whenever I come back and do another voiceover. Smooches. Bye.